Chair. Rocking chair.
Whee! Let's just stay sitting. Woo! 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 Whee! Oh. Are you ready to be out of the rocking chair? Do you want to get out of the rocking chair? You want to get out of the rocking chair? No? Are you sure? You want to get out?
Yes? She's trying to get it in. Can she do that?
She can climb on some things. I don't know if she can do it with that. Oh, it's frustrating. Uh-oh. Give to mommy.
She said no. Oh, she wants to give it to Aunt Laurel. Ooh. Johnson & Johnson.
Go get another one.
Go get another one, Opal. Go get it. Go get the other one. Opal, go get the other one. And then ask her to give it to you and see if she says no again. She said, can't get it down. Here. Do you want that one?
Oh. Give to mommy? Give to mommy?
Thank you. Give this to mommy. Oh, rejected again.
Come on, give it to mama. Give to mama. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, come on.